Welcome back. Today's video is not an ordinary one, because it will be filmed in English. Why are we talking in English? Well, we got an assignment from our English class, based on anything involving IT. And when I say we, I am talking about these two guys right here. Please introduce yourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Alexander Nuclic and today I'm going to help my colleagues in setting up this computer.
Hello, my name is Bogdan Janušić. That's it.
And they're going to help me assemble this PC. And let's get into the video.
For our motherboard, we are going to use Gigabyte A520 and the processors that it supports are called Ryzen 3, 4 and 5th generations. So we've got DDR4 slot, RAM slot, PCI 3 generation, and also we got respectable I/O output and input. And the price of this motherboard is €65.
The CPU that is going into this motherboard is of course from Team Red, because with this budget this is the best CPU that we could get. Ryzen 5 5600X beats its competitors from Intel in a lot of comparisons. It is faster, single, dual and quad core speed. Its manufacturing is also much newer. The tests on games show that the difference in FPS is not far off, with Intel's i5-11400 being slightly better in a couple of games, while being around $20 €20 more expensive, but those differences aren't higher than 10 FPS. This CPU cost us €136.
We got two sticks of DDR4 RAM, which are running at a speed of 3200 MHz. That the ideal peak would have been two sticks of 16 GB. But with a limited budget, we could only afford these two. And it's still better to get two 8 GB sticks than just one of 16 GB sticks. For storage, we have 1 TB SSD M.2 from Kingston that has 3500 megabytes per second read and 2100 megabytes per second write, and we think that this is just enough for storage, and if not, it can be upgraded with a hard disk or SATA SSD.
Next up is the PC case that is going to hold all these parts together. Cooler Master's box comes with two RGB 120mm fans that are used for this PC. This PC also has some good airflow, and overheating on this PC wouldn't be any problem. Also, it has some good cable management.
And now for the best part of this build, the GPU. We spent half of our budget on this RTX 4060, one of the best budget GPUs we have on the market. The other option was the Radeon RX 7600, but the 4060 is a lot better and has better ray tracing, which plays a huge role here.
Power supply that we will use is Gigabyte 650 volts, 80 plus volt certified. The power supply that we will use is the absolute best pick for this machine. For the price of €66, this is the absolute best pick for this build.
We have officially finished with building this PC. The combination of this CPU and GPU can run any game on high settings with 60 or higher FPS. The total price of this PC is around €777. We maybe could have used a bit more money for a better motherboard, but I think this is good enough. Now the only thing left for us to see is will it post. We had some issues with the front fans because there was no RGB light, but later on we found what the issue was and everything is alright and good to go now.
We've entered the BIOS, and with that the video is finished. I would like to thank my colleagues for the help, and see you guys in the next one. See ya.
Bye.
Goodbye.